Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. And welcome to our comparison video of Nest versus Ecobee. Watch until the end to find out which is the best option for you. So the main difference between them is scheduling assistance. When you first install Nest, it makes some assumptions about you and later uses these assumptions for its schedule. It learns your habits and starts working to anticipate your needs while saving energy. On the other hand, Ecobee lacks similar learning capabilities to Nest. Instead, it uses a more conventional schedule where you have to choose your desired sleeping times and temperatures. Therefore, Nest has a plus point over Ecobee due to its scheduling capabilities. Geofencing. The Nest app has an inbuilt geofencing feature that directly integrates with other Google Nest devices. Ecobee also supports geofencing for only one phone. To set up geofencing with multiple phones, you'll require several third-party apps. For this reason, Nest is ahead of Ecobee due to its geofencing integration with many devices. Design. The Nest thermostat displays information such as temperature in a clear and readable manner, all thanks to its Farsight feature. Furthermore, it offers a variety of color options that you can select from, including brass, polished steel, black, white, and copper. On the other hand, the Ecobee thermostat models have a basic look and mostly just come in black. Therefore, Nest offers more designs as compared to Ecobee. Installation. Installing the Nest thermostat is an easy task that should not take longer than 15 minutes. In most situations, you won't need to touch your HVAC system at all, and the C-wire will not be needed for installation. As for the Ecobee thermostat, installation might be a bit challenging since you will be required to open your HVAC system. You'll also need a C-wire. Therefore, Nest's installation process is easier. Comparison table. From the table, you can tell that the Nest thermostat has better geofencing capabilities because it can integrate with other Google Nest devices. There's also some difference between the design and installation process, which tell the two apart. Similarities. Both the Nest and Ecobee thermostats are similar in that they are both compatible with remote sensors, and they also work with voice assistants. Verdict. So, which one is better? The Nest thermostat is better than the Ecobee since it comes in many colors, can integrate with other Google Nest devices, and its installation is easy. Furthermore, it has learning capabilities that work towards anticipating your needs. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you would like to see next from us.